Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone. Today is the first day of 15 days Fusion Fact, and in this very exercise we're gonna take a look on surface loft functionality inside Autodesk Fusion 360. Here you are seeing that I have made a couple of sketches in this document, and if I want to make a loft here, go to Surface, Create, Loft tool. Select the profiles first, and I'm going to select this sketch as a rail. You can see I'm not able to press OK, and that means I cannot make loft. So to make the loft, I need to extend the surfaces here, sketches here. Go to extrude and select this line and extend it, and make sure you have selected the operation as a new body here. Press OK. Repeat the same task. New body, press OK. Now if I go to create and select the loft tool and select this edge and this edge as my profile and select the rails like this, and we have a pretty good loft surface here. Press OK. Now just uncheck the eye mark and you'll see the beautiful loft has created. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Thank you.